children, welcome to you in today's lecture of English. Dear student, in today's lecture, we are going to just revise the question answers once again of lesson number 1, Butterfingers. So students, just take out your book and your notebook also. So for the periodic assessment, I am just informing to you what you have to do. First of all, you have to just read the whole lesson, each lesson very carefully, because you can see that any internal question will be asked to you, and you have to just read the word meaning also, which is given in each lesson. Now just take out your book and open your book page number 5. Here you can see the first one question number A. Choose the correct answer. So here objective type of questions are given. Let me see. Why was Kiran morose? Why was Kiran morose? Kiran morose means why he was annoyed. Because Spain had lost to Brazil in the World Cup. Why this statement is correct? Because as we have seen in the story, in the lesson, that Kiran, he was a follower of the Brazil team. And when we have seen that the Brazil team did not reach in the final, so that's why Kiran became morose. So the correct one answer is Spain had lost to Brazil in the World Cup. Now the next one question is, why did Jairam look both pleased and embarrassed? Why he looked both pleased? Why he was looking happy? Because he was being praised, because he was complimented by the other one and called Messi. Messi is one of the player, and he was called he became like a Messi player. So that's why did Jairam look both pleased and embarrassed? Because he was being praised and called Messi. Now the next question, why was Arun confused? Why he was getting confused? Because he could not figure out why India could not win the World Cup, or he could not figure out how two classes could have 7 matches, or the third one. So what is the correct one answer? Why he was confused? Why the Arun confused क्यों था? क्योंकि he was not figure out that how two classes could have 7 matches. Two classes 7 matches कैसे play कर पाएगी या कैसे खेल पाएगी? He was not figure out about this thing. So that's why he was confused. Now the next question is, why did Amar look gratified? Next question is, why did Amar look gratified? Because he was pleased that his idea was accepted with enthusiasm. Why he looked gratified? Because he was very pleased, he was very happy, because his idea was accepted by the other student with enthusiasm. That's why he was became very happy. Now the next one question, which team do you think Jairam supported? Which team do you think Jairam supported? Yes, obviously the team which was supported by Jairam, and it was Ghana. Jairam कौन सी team का support कर रहा था? Ghana. So here the first question is done. Correct. Choose the correct answer. Now let me see the question answers which is given. Answer in the question in brief. The first one question is, what was the reason for Amar to be so happy? Why Amar he was so happy? Amar इतना happy क्यों था? The reason for Amar to be happy was that when he came up with a brilliant idea, a school World Cup tournament where each class will play a different country. So why he was very happy? Because the reason for Amar to be very happy was that when he came up with a brilliant idea, he came with in front of his friends that he had a great idea to organize a tournament in the school. So that's why it was a very interesting to just organize any event in the school. So that's why he became too much happy. Now next question is, which team did Kiran support in the World Cup? Which team did Kiran कौन सी टीम को support करता था in the World Cup? Kiran supported in the World Cup was Liverpool team. He was supported in the World Cup was Liverpool team. It's one of the team that represent. First of all, we have seen that it represent the Brazil team. Now the next one, third one. Why was Kiran called the turncoat? Why was Kiran called a turncoat? Kiran called a turncoat because it was against the loyalty to leave one group and join another. Kiran called the turncoat. Kiran को turncoat क्यों बोला गया? Because first of all he supported the other team, then after some time he started to support the Brazil team. कुछ टाइम के बाद वो ब्राज़ील टीम को सपोर्ट करने लगा था. That's why he called as a turncoat. इसीलिए उसे turncoat कहा गया, because it was against the loyalty to leave one group and join another. So if someone just leave any team and just join the another one team, so that person is said to be a turncoat. So that's why here Kiran called a turncoat. Now the next question, what was Amar's nickname? Who named him and why? What was the Amar's nickname? It was so simple. His nickname was Butterfinger as the name of the story. His father had given him. Who has given that name? His father has given him the name because it suited him so perfectly. Because he had a thing that he always just drop anything. वो किसी भी चीज़ को drop कर देता था, and Butterfingers means a person who drops the things frequently. So that's why his father has given this name to his son. Now the next one question, in which position did Jairam play? In which position did Jairam play? Jairam played in the position of soccer player of Green Park School. Jairam played in the position of soccer player. He played as a soccer player in his school, and the name of it Green Park School. Now the next question is, why did Kishore support Arjun's idea? Why did Kishore support Arjun's idea? Kishore Arjun के idea को support कैसे करता था? Kishore supported Arjun's idea because he made a sensible suggestion. That's why Kiran supported Kishore supported Arjun's idea. Now the next one question, question number C. Answer these questions in detail. The first question is, what kind of a boy was Amar? What kind of a boy was Amar? Amar is a 13 years old boy who is called Butterfinger. Amar is a 13 years old boy who is called Butterfingers and always up to something mischievous और हमेशा वो कुछ mischievous सोचते रहता है या करते रहता है, but good at heart, but he is good by heart and very loving also. Now the next one question, Jairam was the most formidable player in the school. How will you support this statement? Formidable means a great, we could say he was very important and great player, and who is very it is very difficult to deal with something. So here we could say that he is one of the most formidable player who Jairam in the school. When Amar comes up with the idea of organizing a football tournament in the event, all his friends liked it and they started to make a plan how it will be executed. What happened? When Amar comes up with an idea to organize a football tournament in the school, so all friends liked his idea and they started to make a plan how it will be executed. और सभी लोग प्लान करने लगे कि उसे वो कैसे एग्जीक्यूट कर पाएंगे. Jairam had extraordinary athleticism and was gifted with feet that moved with the quickness of lightning. And as it's one of the gifts by God for him that he is one of the good athlete for his school, and even he was the most formidable soccer player of their school, and it is the best thing for class 8A student of Jairam is in their team, and it was a very good thing for the class 8A student that Jairam is in their own team. और ये उन लोगों के लिए भी एक lucky thing थी. We could say it's the luckiest thing for the 8th class students that Jairam is one of the student of in their class, in their team. Now the next one question, how would you define the relationship among the student in the class? How would you define the relationship among the student in the class? Support your answer with evidence from the text. The relationship among the student in the class is very friendly and they fun merrily in the class. It is proved when the students accepted an idea of Amar to organize a football tournament in So here the relationship among the student is in the class is very friendly. All the friends they live very their behavior and their behavior is very friendly towards each other, and they fun merrily in the class, It is proved when the student accepted an idea of Amar to organize a football tournament in the school. So student, in today's lecture we have explained or revised once again the question answers of lesson number 1, goal, the butterfingers. So I hope student you have understood it and revise it once again. So now it's time to homework. It's time to give the homework to you. It's your today's homework to learn the question answers once again, and as a revision, what you have to do, you have to just make it complete in your notebook and send it to me. So student, will meet you in next video. Till then, take care and bye bye. So once again, I am writing here the homework. Learn the question answer. Learn the question and answer, and to complete it again. Complete it again in your notebook. So students, just make it complete this homework today itself, and we'll meet you in next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.